So I've got to somehow get from there to there. I've made it out. I managed to work that out. All I've got to do is find out where the bloody hell I'm staying. Right, so after I got off the metro, I was just done. Sweaty, tired, hungry, thirsty. I was just everything all in one. Got to the hostel and I just relaxed. Yeah, I'm all sorted now. I'm all showered and stuff. Doesn't quite look like it, but I'm a lot more organised. And yeah, I'm ready to hit the town. The town? I'm at the city of Porto. Birthplace and origins of the Portuguese nation. So I had a little chat with this woman who was in charge of all the boats and the tours, and she's given me this map. She recommended to go around this area for the sunsets. So I'll find some way of getting there now, maybe bus or something, or we'll see. Don't ask me to remember what this place is called. I can't remember, but I'll put it on the screen for you. But yes, here I am now, about 20-minute bus journey. Oh, got some friends up there. Just ordered a drink. I thought, just come to myself quickly. So yeah, here we are. Portuguese sunset, second one I've seen. So this is going to be good. And this is a dangerous beach. Whoa. That was epic. I can't believe I just witnessed that. It's completely gone now. Well, that was the most epic thing I've ever seen. Oh, one of the most epic things I've ever seen. It's just a sunset. A sunset is just so epic, honestly. Oh, let's hope nothing's sharp on this beach. Oh, yeah, it's just gone. Watch the whole thing whilst I was recording that time lapse. Wonderful. So, wow, well that was brilliant. Whoop. And I'm falling over. Look at this beach, it's such a cool beach. Anyway, that's that. That's that.